And we know that the related part should be found on the DNA molecule when protein synthesis will take place. And that information on the DNA molecule should be found in a specific location. That information should be copied and it should not lose its content. And only then, when that information is transferred to the ribosome, then protein synthesis takes place. And we know that there are millions of similar processes taking place in our cells every moment, and no information should be lost. And we know that 2,000 proteins are created every instant, so all processes should be taking place with great rapidity and also with great perfection, because there should be no loss of information. If there's any loss, there are fatal diseases. And Allah may give different diseases, may give different illnesses to people, but when that perfect system does not work, Allah creates different diseases so that people may understand that if there were any lack, any deficiency in those systems, then there would be such damages given on the bodies. For instance, a gene named BRC actually, it provides that the cells reproduce in a certain way, and if it does not function, there is another BRCA2 enzyme, which is created for the special purpose that if the first one is impaired, the second one will come into effect. And if all these signs are seen and people do not have faith in Allah, then that will be a great loss for people, because Allah has created so many systems for us so that we may live very easily in great comfort. And also Allah shows us that if these systems were not functioning properly, there would be many illnesses. So we should really be thankful to Allah, because everywhere we see great order, we encounter wonderful symmetry and also a great intelligence. And all these are given to people from Allah for them to live in ease, in comfort, and in beauty. And Allah wants us to live in a beauty. And Allah informs us if we live like Allah commands, then we will be spending a very beautiful life, because Allah is the one who teaches us all the beautiful morals, and Allah gives us all this knowledge. And this is what we are informed in the Quran. And if people cannot comprehend this beauty of Allah that Allah has created for the people, then they cannot comprehend these facts.